Hello. So, ayan, gumawa kami ng campfire. Campfire. So, nag-drop by muna kami. Yung skateboard namin at saka yung roller skates namin, nandyan lang. Tapos yung bike namin. Drop by muna kami dito dahil nagalagala kami ng mga bata. Doon sa, yan, dyan banda, may highway dyan, may road dyan, cemented road. So, doon kami nag-unwind ng mga bata. So, bumaba muna kami dito saglit, tapos nakiupo. Dahil nga ang lilim, ang daming kahoy, so ang daming mga bato sa paligid ng ilog. So it's very refreshing here, guys. So very nice to bind with the kids and the family. So it's for free. So lovely day, everyone, and may you have a nice day also this Sunday. Lovely day.